Hello, amazing souls. So my name is Leanne with Essentially Zenful, and we provide the next level life purpose for trailblazing females. So a couple of questions just to make sure you're in the right spot. Are you a female? If you answered yes, you're in the right spot. Are you in leadership or aspiring towards leadership or inspired to be a leader? If you answered yes, then you are in the right spot. So are you open to listening to 5 powerful tools that will launch you into your leadership role, trailblazing a new way of leading? If you answered yes, then stick around. If you're like, you know what, this isn't for me, you can move on. You don't have to listen anymore. We already identified that this is right or wrong for you. So these 5 tips might take you by surprise, but this is what's really going to allow you to align with this next level of leadership. So number 1 tool is to tap into your divine feminine. Do you not know what that is? Do you know? Maybe you have an inkling. Maybe you've already tapped into it. The divine feminine is part of our intuition, our compassion, our kindness. And that is how we want to lead. And we have proven that that is the way to lead. Because what we have been doing isn't working. So tapping into your divine feminine. Number 2 is fail. Get out there and fail. Yes, you heard me right, ladies. Go out and fail. You are looking at how to do things and how not to do things. This whole life is a great adventure. It's one big experiment. So shifting your mindset around failure is going to allow you the space to get out there and just experiment with life, experiment with leadership in such a beautiful way, but shifting that mindset away from failure and looking at experiments and adventure. The third is to lead with compassion. Again, that's tapping into our divine feminine. It's such a beautiful way of leading. There's so much research out there now that talks about how compassion and community are so key to surviving, to actually thriving, not just surviving, but thriving in this world today. So check out the research, check out CBCT. It's compassion-based, cognitive therapy. So make sure you check that out. The 4th thing is your breath. It's a beautiful tool. It's always with us. We can utilize it. Once you realize how to utilize your breath, whether it's to increase your awareness, to increase your energy, to decrease your energy, if you just want to relax and calm down, or if you want to tap into your divine feminine, our breath is always with us. So let us use it appropriately. So that's the 4th thing. The 5th thing is connection. We as female leaders need the connection around us to support us, to cheer each other on, to lift, right? To lift each other up. So the connection, that's connection with other people. That's part of that community and building the community with compassion. But there's also a connection with yourself, a deep sense of connection with yourself and your values and what is authentically you, and a deep connection with the world around you as far as the universe and the energies around you. So 5 quick tools, powerful tools for female leaders. Okay, tap into your divine feminine. Failure, get out there and fail. Compassion, breath, and connection. And if you're wondering what any of those mean or how to tap into those, don't worry. We do have a free 5-day event, the 5 days to align with your next level life purpose. Just check in the description for the link for that. And that is not all we have. We also have coaching programs, which we have 6 and 12-month programs. And just check out all the different programs that we do have and offer. That's also in the link below. So 5 powerful tips for female leaders right there. And I can't wait to learn more with you and be more with you and just experience life with you.